Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are diving into an exciting question. Is ANPR or automatic now plate recognition a supervised learning project? It is. And by the end of this video, we not only understand why, but also how it works step by step. First, let's define supervised learning. This is a type of machine learning where an AI model learns from labeled data. Think of it like a teacher guiding students with specific instructions. In this case, we are the supervisors providing guidance. The model, such as your version 5, is the supervised learner. Our goal? To train the AI to recognize and predict number plates from vehicle images accurately. So, as supervisors, what do we do? Here are the key activities. Key activities. Activity number 1, we provide ground truth. We provide ground truth. What's that? We label the images, marking the location of the number plates using bounding boxes that providing the ground truth. The second key activity is we clean the data. Clean the data. Do you remember removing duplicates, blurry images, and any noise from the dataset? That was cleaning the data. Another key activity is organize the data. Organize the data. Do you remember splitting the dataset into training and foundation sets? That was organizing the data. Another key activity is measuring the performance. Do you remember metrics we used at the end of the training? Do you remember precision? Do you remember recall? Do you remember map? That's the metrics we used to evaluate how well the model runs. Another activity is performing the inference or testing. Perform the inference. That's also testing. That's the activity we do to test, to see if the model can correctly predict nameplates in new unseen images. So how the AI model learns. Take time and watch this video in my background. You can see the bounding box, label, and the confidence of prediction. That's the result of the training. What about metrics? Metrics help us as supervisors understand how well the model is doing. Precision tells us how accurate the model's predictions are. Recall measures how many of the actual objects the model can identify. Let me break down the learning process for the model. The first phase is the training phase. During the training phase, the model looks at images in the training set. It identifies the location of objects based on bounding box labels. It learns features of the objects and compares them to the ground truth. The second phase is validation phase. At the end of an epoch, the model tests itself on a separate validation set. It checks whether it can recall or remember the object. In our case, it's the number plate. Then it will evaluate. Can I recall the number plate correctly? That's the self-evaluation. Can I remember the number plate correctly? Can I predict its class with good precision? Have you heard recall and precision? And map, mean average precision, combines both precision and recall to give an overall performance score. Let's talk about a real-world application of ANPR. Let's connect these to a real-world example. Imagine a car driving up to a NPR-enabled gate. The model detects the number plate, recalls it as a valid entry, and predicts its class with high precision. If all checks pass, the gate opens. Simple and efficient. So, is ANPR a supervised learning project? Absolutely. Because we provide the labels and the guidance. The model learns from them step by step. And the metrics help us ensure the model is performing well. I hope this gave you a clear understanding of how ANPR works as a supervised learning project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights like this. Until next time, happy learning.